What's good, Dozy Gang? Welcome back to another banger video. So now, as y'all can tell by the title and the thumbnail, I'm finna be showing y'all how I made my little picture wall or my little picture backdrop, whatever you wanna call it. I'm gonna insert a little picture right here so y'all can see, or right here, so y'all can see exactly what I'm talking about. And I'm gonna give y'all a little tutorial slash voiceover, and you know, all of that. So I'm gonna get y'all right so y'all can recreate this, make it look way better for y'all backdrop or whatever y'all trying to do it for. Well, I'm gonna show you exactly what you need. You just need a phone and you need a local print shop. Basically, where you can go to get prints is Walgreens, Target, you can print them yourself, CVS, you know, just a whole bunch of print shops or whatever who prints pictures near you. And then you need picture frames. You get picture frames from Target, Walmart, anywhere. You can get picture frames from anywhere. But we finna go into detail and show y'all exactly what I did to achieve my wall. But yeah, let's get right into today's tutorial. All right, YouTube gang, so the first step y'all need to do is y'all need to go on the internet and search up an inspiration. What I do is I look up Will Smith old school pictures, but I'm gonna show y'all exactly, you know, how to do it right here. So yeah, so what I'm doing, I just type in, let me see, old school. All right, so I just type in old school Will Smith. Nah, old school, yeah, Will Smith sneaker head. Oh my gosh. All right, so boom, so as y'all can see all these little pictures, we gonna go to images so you can get the exact image you want. And it don't gotta be Will Smith, it can be whoever you want it to be. So yeah, so I just, you know, go through here, see what I want, like boom, like this picture with his Jordan 5s, that's actually raw as hell. That picture is raw. I would, if I had space, I would definitely use that picture. Actually, I'm finna say that because I'll make something shake if you feel me. All right, so yeah, just that simple. So you feel me? You find the perfect picture. Let me see. I don't know who else. Let's go to Kanye West because he's also on my little board. So you just do Kanye West old school pictures and like. Like it's simple, like you see Will Smith, you see a whole bunch of stuff like that. So you know, let's just say, all right, so I already got the image I want, so let's say we're gonna use that image. But like I said, y'all can look up any rapper, whatever, famous person, and if they got old school vintage like sneaker pictures, you can definitely use them. So yeah, let's go on to step 2. All right, now step 2, you need to find a print shop near you. I use either CVS or Walgreens, so I'm just gonna type in CVS prints, so, or pictures, my fault. So boom, I'm just gonna look that up and go to all. Boom, it says right here, pick up CVS picture, you know, print your little pictures and all that. So mine's was a, let me see, I forgot what mine was, but so you basically like go through here. I think Walgreens, hold on, let me look, hold on y'all. All right, so I just looked up CVS prints, and you would basically like, so let me see, where's the large prints? I don't know if this, so we're gonna look at large prints because I think that's where they at. So you just go over here, go select pictures, or not choose a file. You would just go to photo library, select that first picture, boom, insert that, click done. Then it's gonna print out and you can go to more sizes. And here it can show you, like y'all gonna see, it shows you all the sizes. Like mine is 11 by 14. So you would just click on 11 by 14, order now. So yeah, you can do like a same day pickup. So let's type in, you know, find a store. And you can just find a store near you, pick it up. So let's just say we're gonna pick it up from Woodbury. So boom, simple as that. You print it, it's gonna be 11 by 14 glossy poster. Shows you all, you know, in the information. Shows you it's gonna be $11. So I would suggest you get more than just one picture, so you know you're not wasting your money. But yeah, go get a couple of pictures. Boom, you'll order those. Then we're not gonna talk about then. We're gonna say next step. First step, since you already found your picture. Second step, you found where, well, let's say you got it printed, so like a CVS. Now we're on to step 3. Where do you go get the little black things around the pictures? All right, step 3. So depending on what size picture you got, you would just type that in. So I'll type in Walmart 11 by 14. I cannot spell. So you're gonna, damn, I cannot spell. But you're just gonna type in 11 by 14 picture frames. And these is exactly the ones I got. And you can see right here, they're $344. But it would be better if you just go into Walmart, or you call your local Walmart and see, or Target, or whatever you wanna go. But yeah, so you would just type in exactly what size your picture is. Boom, 11 by 13. This is the one I got. Simple, you can see, it's simple, bro. You know, this is gonna be $344. You know, pick that up at your local Walmart and stuff like that. Put the picture in the frame, you know, do all of that stuff and mount it. Make sure you got a leveler, a drill, a measuring tape, or whatever you need so you can actually mount them. And they actually don't come with hanging like screws. So make sure y'all go like to Home Depot and go get you some little screws. So in all, depending on how many pictures you get, just for one picture, let's say it's $12 for the picture and then $3 for the frame. It's gonna be $15 each picture. And if you really think about it, that's a good price, because a lot of people think like I pay like $50, $60, $70 for these pictures. And if you get them online with everything included, like get a vintage picture, old school vintage picture, you're gonna be paying like a crazy stupid price. So I would say $15 dang near each poster is a steal, or a good deal, however you want to look at it. So yeah, that's basically all, you feel me? Like that's, you know, that's basically all. I'm gonna show y'all my wall a little bit if y'all didn't know, other than just posting a picture like, you know, before in the earlier part of the video. So I'm gonna, you know, do a little scan of my wall, and we're gonna wrap this video up. Make sure y'all hit that like, comment, subscribe button, turn on that post notifications, and let's get right into this B-roll.